and I just woke up. You guys can hear my voice. It sounds so groggy, but yeah, I'm up. So I went to Melrose area and I completely forgot to vlog. Like, I go places and then I forget to vlog, and I'm so sorry about that, y'all. But I am now at home. I filmed a video earlier on this look, but it just wasn't it. But I'm gonna see if I can salvage that video, but I doubt it. And yeah, it is 5:05 in the evening time. The birds are chirping and I am here just surfing the web, and I want to hang out with my friend, but he got better things to do. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. But yeah. So I'm just here chilling, and that's it. If I go anywhere else, I will vlog. I promise. Good morning. So I am going, it is Sunday morning, and I am going ATV riding. And try to make this a vlog for you guys.
I can't even finish this shit.
Damn, cheese. Girl, about to get this IV put in. Hey, hey, hey. I got bad blood pressure. So good, yes. There's some nurses. Right. Do I like blood? I think I do. So I am here with Shawnee. We're here with Wellness, getting IVs. You see that? Exhibit A. It says it's better than Botox, so. The event was so great. No, Shawnee Shawns. Yes. Yeah. We were at the Nasty Gal headquarters. Shout out to Nasty Gal.
Nasty gal.
Wow,
Damn,
too brown.
fucking...
Yes.
Sorry to do it to you.
Here's another what? I just woke up. I kind of didn't get any sleep last night, so I went to bed at like 5 in the morning. Whoa. Face is still super swollen because when I don't sleep enough, my face is just like swollen all day. It's so crazy. But yeah, so I'm just about to go make myself some coffee and get my day together. I need my cup of coffee in the morning just because why not? It wakes me up and I love the taste. So I have my coffee and I'm going to throw some pants on and go to my nail shop because I need to get my nails done. I just got back from getting my nails done. Just a cute little, you know, simple little ting. Thursday, May 9th, and I am about to go get my ear pierced. Woo! I'm about to go get some piercings, y'all. And why am I so cold? And I literally just started. I was on live earlier on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and click it. Go ahead and follow me, because you know. But I was on Instagram live and I was on Twitter live, and I forgot that I could have just been vlogging. But yes, I am about to go get some piercings. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys because I really love the way this girl, she pierced my tragus at this event I went to. I'll put some clips of that event in this vlog too. Oh my gosh, my voice just totally got groggy when I started talking. It was not like this before. I was like hype. And this is another reason that I have not been vlogging, y'all, because I don't know, it's like now I feel so, not awkward when I get in front of the camera, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel a little funny when I get in front of the camera now. So, but I'm about to get out of that because your girl got shit to do, okay? So, I'm going to give y'all a little update right now. Might as well because I'm here. I dropped a song, my first single ever. I have never said that before. like that in that way. But yes, it is on iTunes. It's called Old Thing Back. So if you guys want to go listen to my song, go ahead and go to iTunes and just put in Jocelyn or put in Old Thing Back, and yes. Yes. I'm very excited to start music. Like, this is something that I've been wanting to do since I was a little kid, y'all. You don't even understand. Music has just been my entire life, and now I'm like the person making music like I always wanted. But yeah, head to iTunes and go get it, go buy it, go stream it, go do whatever you want. Okay, so
a few moments later.
every time I have to wear jeans, I'm like, alright, especially when it is like the second day of that time of the month. Girl, my uterus feels like it's about to fall out. My stomach has been making so much noise and like just being so weird. So I am here with Ina. Y'all gonna see her in a second. My piercer popping. About to get some holes in my ears. And you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned and see. Okay, so, ooh, hold on. Should I take these out?
Replace them anyway, right? Or do you want to keep those big ass hoops? How do you,
Yeah,
girl?
I'll keep these big ass hoops.
If I was gonna fight with you, that's the first thing I'd go for.
Oh,
They're dangerous.
They pop out easy.
She'd be like, bitch.
Oh, you guys never met?
Oh, my hair's not done. Fuck. Hair.
You know what? She's anonymous. You gotta come see her. You gotta come see her. Right now they look like this. And I've had these for a very, very long time. Very, very, very long time.
You haven't for a long time though, because I'm not understanding.
I've had it for a bit, you know. It's been a while. They've been hanging on. And and she will change these out. And these also. This looks like a dermal on my face right now. But, oh
my god, nobody can even see it.
You know, we're just going to play around. We're just going to play with needles. And do it all. She switched out those, and I'm about to get another hoop. Except for Claire's. Let me do it again. Okay. The shade. Okay. Okay. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Keep breath in, please. Keep breath. Ooh, it was like a little wink. It made you want to wink.
We're heard that one.
It is. I like them. Good day, everyone. So I am on my way. I'm late, actually. What's new? I'm about to be on my way to Gen Beauty's Ipsy Creator Day. They're actually not having Ipsy Gen Beauty this year, so I guess they're only having Creator Day, and that's what I'm gonna go check out. I'm late, but I just wanted to try to vlog, so yeah. I am here at Creator Day I'm about to use this machine.
Cryofacial.
Okay. These ladies are about to explain to you guys what it's about.
So, cryofacials. We use liquid nitrogen vapor to help boost the circulation of the skin on the face, which helps to tighten, firm, lift the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and pores, and it just feels really good.
It feels like
How would you describe it? It's cold, right?
it feels good.
Is it relaxing?
Yes. Oh my god. It feels like someone with really cold breath blowing on you. So, damn.
You'll feel after your skin will feel so much colder and so it's like when you go skiing and your inside of your skin feels all tight.
Oh, okay, so that's what. You guys, this shit feels amazing. And it's not gonna mess up your makeup.
It's like my favorite.
So are we gonna have to buy this whole machine to do this?
Eventually.
To the store.
Eventually.
Oh, okay. They do it at the store.
We're on Melrose and you can see.
Ooh, this feels amazing. Yeah, see you guys? Okay then.
We're in Melrose Place and Encino.
West Hollywood and Melrose. I mean, West
Cryo
Hollywood and
Cafe.
Encino. Cryo Cafe. This is making me feel strong, you guys. Mindtent.org. So I have no idea if I did a good job filming in there, but I got my stuff and I am now headed home. I had fun. Thank you, Ipsy, for having me. And yeah, hi, little puck. Yeah, I had fun. Bye.